Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can link your bank account to your AdSense account. And if you are currently struggling on monetizing your YouTube channel or finding issues with your AdSense account, then this channel is right for you. Stay as I take you through how you are going to link your bank account to your Google AdSense account. So literally, before you can link your Google AdSense account, you need to reach a minimum threshold of $10. Okay, so this particular video is not going to be long. It's going to be too simple and straightforward. So I'm going to share my screen with you so I show you step by step how you are going to link your bank account so you do not commit the mistake I did when I was doing mine. Okay, but here is the exact method, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, consider subscribing. Charlie, do it now. Okay, do it now. All I teach is AdSense verification and also YouTube monetization growth and simple settings you gotta do on your channel. Let's go. So head on to your Google AdSense page this way. So on your Google AdSense page, you are going to see home, ads, sites, and a whole lot of things. Okay, good. So automatically when you open it will bring you to the home section. Okay, so this is not where we are going to use. Okay, so if you scroll down, you are going to see payment info and verification check. So now you head on to click on payment info. Good. For you to be able to add a payment method, you need to have a minimum threshold of $10. So you can see in this my student account, you can see 10.29. okay, $10.29. So automatically the how to get paid button will be showed. Okay, but if you have not reached the minimum threshold, you will not be finding it in your account. It is not any problem. You just need to reach the minimum to get that. So once you reach here, just scroll down. You are going to see how you get paid. Add a payment method. Okay, so just click on that. So let's wait for it to finish loading. Good. So here you're going to see add primary payment method, and you're going to see the add new check details, which is for check, and then add new wire transfer details, and that is what we're gonna use. That is for bank transfer. So click on it. Good. So when you open it, you are going to see that we have beneficiary ID. That is optional. We are not going to use it. Okay, but before then, let me explain certain thing to you here. To receive a payout by bank transfer, you need to contact your bank for exchange rate and fees. Bank account must be located in Ghana. Okay, so for those of you that are in Nigeria, other countries, you are going to see your country there, and it will state that the bank should be in US dollar currency. Okay, good. So let's continue again. So once you are through with this, you contact your bank and everything, then you head on straight forward to fill here. So here you just need to enter the name on your bank account. Okay, now make sure the name that you are putting here or the name on your AdSense is exactly the name on your bank account, because if there is any difference it will not pick. Then here you head on to enter your bank name. Okay, you enter your bank name also. So I'm going to use GCB Bank. So let me just type my GCB Bank. Okay, make sure you are following exactly how I am doing it. And here you have the Swift code. Now make sure you also read this part to understand one or two things. So let me just enter mine now. Good. So once you are done entering your Swift code, just head on to enter your bank account detail. I mean the bank account number. So let me also head on to enter my bank account number here. One important thing is make sure you recheck to confirm you entered the exact number, so you do not go and enter someone's bank account number. Now for this intermediary bank, it is optional, just leave it. And also with the FFC and FBO, that one too, just leave it, it's optional. But make sure you tick it to set as primary payment method. Make sure it is being ticked as primary payment method. Now once you are done with everything here, it says this payment method may need to be verified. If you make this your primary payment method, payment may be delayed. Okay, so it will undergo verification, so make sure you tick it. Once you are done, you head on to go back and check your details again, because this deals with money. Once you are done, just click on save and your bank would be saved perfectly. So now when you click save, make sure this page appears where it says bank transfer to account number blah blah blah, which shows your account number plus your name. Make sure you are seeing something like this. Now once you see this, everything is perfectly linked and you do not need to do anything. However, you can still add another payment method. Okay, yes, you can still add another payment method. All right, Charlie, so if you are new on my channel and this is the first time you are joining this channel, then one important thing I would like to tell you is here we only teach you how to monetize your YouTube channel and also verify your Google AdSense. That is very, very important to me. Verify your Google AdSense, and we also preach against certain mistakes that could easily destroy your YouTube career. Okay, so you do not commit those mistakes. So if you have been able to watch this video from there to now, then I guess you give me a thumbs up by liking this video, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn the bell sign on so you do not miss my next video. Thank you. Now for those of you that are currently struggling on your AdSense verification or your YouTube monetization, as in reaching the first 1000 subscribers or your first 4000 watch hours, don't worry, you can reach out to me by going to the description of my channel. Okay, so just head on to the description. You are going to see a way to talk to me. Okay, talk to me and let me help you with the kind of strategy or proven method that I have been using for some of my some of my clients or students. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you.